So I'm finally moving out of my parents' house and I'm here in my new apartment. Like, everything is happening so fast, I can't believe it. No, it's not happening so fast. It's been a long time coming, to be honest. But like, I cannot believe that it's actually happening. Anyway, today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my empty apartment. Tomorrow is moving day, and if I don't do it today, I may never get the chance to do it, because today is like the only time the apartment is literally empty. After today, we may never have it like that again. So let's go. Hi, welcome to my new apartment. Hi, I'm Antwiwaa. I live in Accra and I'm moving out to my parents' house for the very first time. In this series, I share my moving out journey and what I'm learning, among other things. If you're ready, grab a seat and you're welcome to my moving series. I don't wanna let myself down. Alright, so when you walk in, this is the entryway. That's exactly where we're standing. And then I have a door to my left and another door behind me. So there we go. Let's take the door to my left, which is your right. Yeah, that's your right, but my left. So let's go. Welcome to my kitchen. I don't know if I'm excited about having a kitchen, but this is my kitchen. I have some storage space here, and I think I'll put something that's pleasing to the eye here because it's open. Put more stuff here, and I have like a lot more storage over here, which I'm excited about. I think one thing I really noticed that I didn't like when I was searching for an apartment was the fact that the kitchen was either really small, I don't know, it was just not good, or the tiling was bad, or the cabinet wasn't great. So I was very happy to have found a place that has a decent kitchen and actually has a kitchen of its own. So yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. You see some cleaning stuff over here because I already started some cleaning. I came here earlier in the day. I didn't like how it looked because I'm moving in tomorrow, so I did a little bit of cleaning before I moved in. When I got here, the landlord said they had cleaned the place, but I wasn't satisfied with the cleaning they had done because it was dusty and all of that. So I went and got cleaning supplies and I did some cleaning by myself. So that's why you see a broom and some tissue in here. So now that we're done with the kitchen, let's go into the other rooms. Alright, so we are back to where we started, and this is my living room. Come along. So what came with the apartment is basically another fan in the living room and some white fixtures. I'm just not pleased with this fan because I feel like if I misbehave and I lift my hand, my fingers are gone. But that aside, this is what it looks like. It's quite spacious. I don't have a plan for this space. I'm just going to be honest and say that I don't have a plan. I do have a plan for the bedroom because I pretty much have almost all my furniture for the bedroom. There's supposed to be some extra lights that are yet to be installed. Hopefully they're installed soon. I'm supposed to have 4 of these, so when I finally have 4 of these, this room will be so well lit. Like, look at how lit, ignore the sweat. But look how well lit I am right now. Like, I'm not using any massive lights, I'm just using the lights that came with the apartment. So if you'd like to see how the entire thing pans out and what this space ends up looking like, if you want to subscribe if you haven't already, it's the red button down there. Smash that button and I will keep you updated. Yeah, I'm going to be filming a lot in here, so I'm very happy that the place is well lit. Anyway, that's all for the living area. I have a little window here that you probably don't care about. But then after the living room, there's another door in here, and you guessed right, that is my bedroom. All right. Mosquitoes, sorry. You walk into the bedroom, you have a window here. These curtains came with a plate. I don't know if I'm going to keep them or not. I don't know if I love or hate them, but I don't have curtains as of now. Well, when I move tomorrow, hopefully I will find curtains that will cover everywhere. But I'll just hold on to these while I can. But yeah, when you walk in, that's a window right here. I have some switches right here. I don't know if they thought, I don't know what plan they have for this place, right? But I'm thinking that whoever designed this room thought that the bed was going to be over there. And if the bed is over here, then you can have like a little media station here, so like a TV or something going on here. That's not the plan I have for this place. First of all, I don't want TV, and I may not have a TV in my bedroom. Like if I'm going to have a TV, it's going to be in the living room to entertain guests if I have any. So I'd probably have a different plan for this space, but not to mention it. Anyway, so when you come this way, we have this little corner here. I have a great plan for this space, so stay tuned to all the upcoming vlogs. You don't want to miss it. But yeah, this is, I think the bed is definitely going to go here, no doubt. But then what goes anywhere else? So after this space, we have a little corner here. The bedroom is shaped like an L, but like a very short L, like a boxy L. I'm trying to describe it. But yeah, so we have like this space here, and then you have a little L situation going on here that I think can be very useful. Like I'm grateful for the additional space because I cannot imagine what the place will look like if it was just like up to here. I feel like it's going to be so tight, so I'm very grateful for this extra space I get over here that I can do stuff. After this space right here, we come to the last door in the apartment, which is the bathroom. So let me show you. Okay, do I have much to say about this bathroom? First of all, I like the tiles. The bathrooms that I found in all the apartments I looked at pretty much had like really awful tiles. But one of the reasons I picked this place was because the bathroom tiles were clean and definitely something I could work with. Like just the way it is, I could definitely live here for some time before I even start thinking of how to decorate this place. So yeah, it's a pretty decent bathroom for one person, myself. I have the bath area over here. I have my tiny shower. I don't know why this shower is not big, honestly. I feel like they could have gotten away with a much bigger shower head, but that's what I got. Luckily, I don't know if I can say luckily, but I got like a soap holder over here, so that is what is here. And if you come here, we have, wow, I'm really sweaty. Yeah, it's what it is. If you come here, I have a mirror that I'm definitely going to switch out because I feel like it's boring. I feel like I could replace it with something that's a little bit more interesting. And then I have this that I assume is going to hold my toothpaste, toothbrush for the most part. And then the sink is right here. And then if you come in here, we have the toilet. I bought a few things when I went to get cleaning supplies to come clean the place. So you see a rug right here. I think it matches the colors in here, and I bought a matching toilet brush to, you know, bring everything together. There may be a few changes that I'm going to do in here. I'm not going to go ham with them just yet because we are working with a budget, and I'll tell you more about it in the coming videos. But yeah, that's what my apartment looks like. I'm very excited for this new chapter, and I'm also very happy that I get to share with you. But I'm just going to say that if you're watching this video and you feel like things are a bit slow for you, or you're still living with your parents, people can watch videos like this and interpret it differently. But this video is not to brag. Over 25 years and I'm now moving out to my parents' house, so it's not a competition at all. Some people have done it way earlier, some people have done it way later. It's not a competition. I'm also going to say that I know that someone will be watching this video and think that I'm showing this apartment because I'm trying to brag, yada yada. that's not the point. So ever since I thought to move out, I tried finding videos of people that have done it in Ghana, in Africa. Most of the times the videos that are online are of white people. Like, Africans barely show like the real deal. Hi, editing intro over here. So I'm editing a video and I realized that someone may misunderstand this portion of the video, so let me quickly clarify. I definitely do not mean that there are not a lot of black people doing moving into new apartments, sharing their journeys and all of that. What I mean is that I don't see a lot of black people living abroad or living in Africa or specifically in Ghana sharing the cost and all the intricacies that go into moving out or finding an apartment. Most of the times what I have seen is that I'm moving out video and then that I moved in or empty apartment or video, and then we don't see the behind the scenes and all of that. That was my aim and reason for starting my moving series. I wanted to be as transparent as I can be, as transparent as I'm comfortable with, and hopefully help somebody who may not know anything about this entire journey learn a thing or two, or better prepare that person for what to expect. Do you get what I mean? Good. Back to the video. So I'm actually sharing this journey and this new chapter of my life because I want to show you what it is actually like. I feel like it's not going to be all smooth, and hopefully it is. Honestly, hopefully it is. Let me not use my mouth to kiss myself. But I feel like there are so many things that you can learn from watching these videos, so many things that I can learn from sharing what I'm sharing with you. And I hope that if you ever want to move out of your parents' house, these series of videos are going to be resourceful to you when the time comes, right? So that's the reason I'm sharing my entire journey with you. Hope that it inspires you, answers questions that you may have. If you have any question, now that we're talking about questions, if you have any question with regards to the move, definitely leave it in the comment section and I'll answer them. But I'm also going to say that I'm not going to be answering questions with regards to the amount of rent I'm paying in this place. I feel like if you want to know the amount of rent anybody pays in this Accra, you should just Google it. You should just Google it and you find a range for how much apartments like these cost here in Accra. So yeah, that's the only question I would not be answering. But if you have any other question aside that, leave in the comment section and I will be sure to answer it for you. So that is it for my empty apartment tour. The next time you see it, it will be partially finished and I'll be sharing more on the process and the things I'm learning and all of that in future vlogs. So if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe and check out this video right here that YouTube thinks you'd enjoy. See you next time. Bye.